Okay, so I received 3 letters from a third-party collection company saying that I have an outstanding amount to the Australian tax office. So when I received the first letter, I pretty much ignored it because I checked the online and found out there were a lot of scam reports about that company. So I thought it was another scam and I ignored it. The second letter I ignored, and the third letter was kind of very serious, saying that this will be the last correspondence and they'll have to take legal notice. So I panicked, and so the first thing that I did is went into a MyGov office in the city. So MyGov is more reachable and accessible than tax office itself because of the huge wait time over the phone. So I went into the MyGov office to check if the letter was sent from the ATO, whether that was a genuine letter that I had to really abide by. So I went into it, and so they confirmed that it was sent from the ATO through a collection team because I had not responded to the previous letters. Mistake number one, I had not linked my ATO service to my MyGov. So my address change in my MyGov was not reflected in the ATO services, and all my mail correspondence, my letters had gone to my Darwin address. So that is the main reason I missed out on all the genuine direct emails from ATO. So make sure you link your ATO services to your MyGov to receive updates and such letters. And after I found out it was genuine, I got the number to contact the ATO directly for the reason that I've been charged. So the second thing that you do is contact the ATO directly and ask them the reason for the charge. So it says tax amendment. So what is the reason for the amendment and why do they feel that they have overpaid me? So the reason I was given was Medicare Levy that was paid to me in 2017 to 18. So this is 2020 April, almost April 20th. And they are amending my tax return for the 2017 and 2018. So it can backdate to 3 years. So don't forget that. So at that time, I was eligible for the Medicare Levy because I was on 489. I didn't have my PR. So that is the reason. So when I explained to them, I was eligible at that period of time. So they said they could have been a mistake. So what you have to do, that is the step number 3. So you have to file an objection. So just go to ato.gov.au, search for objection. So you have to, there's a form that you need to fill in with your TFN number, your details, and say that this is the year that I was eligible for my permanent residency and Medicare facilities. So for the amendment that is mentioned for the year 2017 to 18, I was eligible for Medicare Levy. So can you please amend this and cancel the payment? So you have to post it to Sydney. The address will be given there, so post it to Sydney, and after that the case officer or the person who has been allocated for my objection, she contacted me directly over the phone to get some additional documents. So she asked me for evidence for my PR lodgement. So I sent the date when I lodged my papers. I've got my bridging visa document. So I sent that document, and on the very next day I got an email saying that your evidence has been accepted and your overdue payment has been cancelled. So this is the best way, legal way to handle the issue. So if it was a genuine amendment, then I am obliged to pay that amount. But it's always better to clarify with the ATO, with the MyGov office, whether it is a genuine notice from the direct ATO and whether the amendment that has been done is correct. So if it is correct, there is no question, you have to pay the amount. But if there is a mistake, everybody makes mistakes. So if there is a mistake, then there's always a chance for you to prove that there has been a mistake, and these are the evidences. So always I repeat, evidences speak. So you have to have proper evidence to prove this claim, and then you can do that. All right, so I hope it was helpful because there are so many people who have had these issues, and my very best friend who lives in Darwin, she's paid it twice, and when I told her that this time, she's not going to do it anymore. So so many people as migrants, we fear when we get such letters, we pay straight away. There's no harm in that, but there's no harm in clarifying whether it is a genuine amendment, whether we really owe them money, Because if you have paid taxes, if you have filed your returns correctly, there's no way there's going to be a mistake. So if you're confident with yourself, go ahead and question and do the right thing. All right, so I wish you all good luck. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like such lifestyle and visa information videos, please subscribe to my channel.